குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ திருநீலியம்மன் துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. ஜெமினி லக்ன பாவ பெனிஃபிட்ஸ். ஜெமினி ஹவுஸ் is the first sign. Person attitude, character, socializing habits. Lagna is the place where you can tell what kind of people you have. Lagna is a place where one can talk about oneself. Research is done through Lagna. If it comes to the point that he is a person who does not talk to anyone, they will escape from them. Generally, if he is a person who talks to a lot of people, they cannot kite his affairs. If the next person talks about the matter, it is equivalent to putting a Dindora on them in the down. Instead of telling them that this and that has happened in my life, you can tell everyone in the down. If they get a problem with them, they will twist and talk in many dimensions like ears, nose and mouth, and they will lose their peace due to the embarrassment and pain that comes with it. They are known for being transparent in their lives. They don't hold anything in their mouths, and they also have a name for being talkative. Others will lose trust in them. They should keep their character under control. If not, the family will have to carry too much burden of science. Which family is about the next family? It means that they keep adding to the family karma. If Purani talks or gossips about the other person's private matter, Gemini Lagna is born because of the signs. We have already committed. We have taken this course to live without speaking. Now, if we talk about the next person, we are carrying their karma. If we talk too much about them, poverty will come acquired. There will be no harmony in the house of the speaker. Gemini Lagna should not gossip about anyone or any family. Don't be jealous of anyone. Do not enjoy talking to others. There is no problem if she is a tight-lipped girl. But if she has the nature to talk to a lot of people, they will not keep secrets. This is their nature. They should not talk about themselves and should not talk about others. They only say one thing by trusting them. They do not have the ability to keep secrets about themselves. Then how can they keep the others' secret? Gemini Lagna do not gossip about others. Intimates they will fall into the mouth of the city. This Lagna should not gossip about any family or any individual. If they don't talk too much, they cannot keep the secret. Cancer house is the second sign. Cancer should be taken advantage of when it gives evil. The second sign is the voting place. The family place is the place where one can say his in whatever way his profits comes. The second sign. When the income comes, saving must be taken, and when good fortune is received, it must be taken advantage of. If you miss it, it will be very difficult to find a groom unstable. They don't talk where they should talk. They talk where they should not. Leo house is the third sign. Communication device short level trying to exchange information, younger brother, close friends, information will be immediate. They have to look for anything related to the third sign and it will not come. They will give importance to communication. If he does not answer the question asked immediately, their heads will explode. Their primary job is to exchange information. Younger brother, father in laws, every airport taken by close friends, the information they need, cell phone, any work related to the third sign. They will not come to find them as slave labor. These are the ones that should be shout out and handcuffed. Virgo house is the fourth sign. Mother, motherly property, house, land, vehicle, wealth, pleasure, food, place of residence, learning, gimmicky, case, going around place to tell enemies, sign to provoke enemies, earns enemies through the fourth sign. A school that earns enemies through study, a college will make enemies through study. House, land, property, movable property, immovable property will cause a fuss and litigation. In the mother own way, there will be a fuss, a court case, and thus enemies. If the occupied house is a rented house, then the character of Virgo will be revealed through the fourth sign of acquiring the character of general shoot, a place where loans can be told. Credit comes from house and property through maternal relationship. Credit comes through maternal health. Be careful about the fourth sign. Victory will be sought in the same way as fuss and litigation are sought. Libra house is the fifth sign. Naturally, times of God has the fourth sign. The sign that husband wife can say, the sign that can trigger marriage is the sign of Libra. Marriage yoga will come by running Libra sign. Gemini comes as the fifth sign, lover, beloved art, science, way of worshipping, religious belief, heirloom, sign that can point of children, astrology, sports field, how we handle the rest of our spare time apart from working time. The sign that can tell that spare time is the fifth sign. The fifth, seventh sign is provoked when sinful things are provoked. Even if the bridge room for them is married by them or their elders, when the fifth bhava garaga is in motion, the seventh bhava Libra will start doing its natural work through it. Their dowry will be done with the person involved in the fifth sign. Partner, external communication, mass communication can be known through the fifth place. They will go to a big mass network. A friend is the fifth sign for a close friend. Becoming a friend with a close friend is Libra. The fifth sign is love, and that is seventh sign of love. For time is God and marriage is the God Venus. Gemini Lagna has Arutra star. Through Arutra star, the Gars of Venus star. First Aries, Taurus, these have no Gars of Venus. Love comes only because of the curse of Venus. For time of God, the seventh sign becomes the fifth sign for them. So there is a change of love. Scorpio house sixth sign. Career, job, competitive, exams, exam tutors, customer service, customer support, service to people, first shoot, court case, debt, health matter for wrong done in past life. The house of punishment will prompt Scorpio to adorn for their signs. Through this sign, our lusts are fueled, causing us to stumble and make mistakes. Through this, our previous births get trapped in the karmic net and get punished by the karmic fruit. The sixth sign should not be abused. Fraudulent activities such as preparing fake property document and getting loan from bank, etc. Burning of fake goods, engaging in unethical activities, helping fake borrowers in this regard will get caught in huge karmic net. Be honest and be very careful when it becomes to credit matters. There will be shame in the matter of debt. If you want to cross the line of dharma, don't do it. Giving fake certificate for leave at work can lead to shame. The sixth sign is to be honest without making mistakes in any matter. The sixth sign of mother and uncle should not do anything wrong, should not cover another person's property, should not commit abuse in matters related to charity. Sagittarius house is the seventh sign. When we go in search of a higher search, in search of a higher soul, in the direction of higher knowledge, going from one level to the next. This is called evolution in a way. Seeking the next evolution is the sign of Sagittarius. Sagittarius is the sign that gives deep spiritual knowledge, maturity and information to move to the next level. This Bhava will give unique fortune giving privilege. With this we can move to the next dimension. Going to the next level is like opening a door in your life. Distance education, research, foreign travel, father, guru, all these are contained in the house of Sagittarius. By the seventh sign, you can enjoy the gift of Sagittarius. They have to get past the stage of marriage. It is only after marriage that the ninth Bhava Garaga with will run. Going to the next level through the relationships available through husband wife, environment change, job change, lifestyle change available through them will take something to the next level. Sagittarius sign will give you that maturity that there is still more in life to go to the next level instead of staying like this. All these are working through the seventh sign. Some people may pursue higher education after marriage, travel for get opportunity to go abroad. They attain these benefits when they touch the seventh sign. This house is cursed by Rahu. Husband, wife, partner, Rahu cursed star people, binary, Polydara people will be in this family. Aquarius house is the ninth sign. Long distance travel, higher education, foreign travel, father, paternal family, our guru, permanent guru, constantly seeking wisdom from a guru, his personal desires, desire, ambition to fulfill this ninth bhava helps him to get profit and gain ninth bhava helps. Should use those sinful privileges for higher education, long distance travel, foreign travel, research guru should use the privileges available through this. By this, the 11th sign Karagatu will work. Father, paternal relative, guru, ninth sign should be used. Ninth Bhava Garagam will have received karma. Kartigai, Puram through Revadi will have star connection. People who don't get married on paternal side, late marriage, career problem, property dispute, broken brotherhood, lost life in childhood, affected by Mars planet. This incest genetic connection will be paternal family way. Pisces house 10th sign. The nature of the 12th sign is extravagance. A bridge to spending and wasting a day is the 12th sign. Medicine, medical expenses, night work, foreign life, ayana sayana bhogam, intimacy, etc. This sign comes as the 10th sign. Through the Pisces movement, you will get foreign opportunity, foreign life, overseas business and job opportunities, medical wisdom information, hospital wise information, what is going on in which hospital is available, the treatment method is available, and knowing full details about the doctors is a good skill. All these things are available in the scientific study of good medicine. Where to get medical insurance, drug related matter, where to get quality and low cost of medicine pills. Good to know. Similarly, if this house of Pisces, which gives immense knowledge about medicine, hospital and doctors can be used well. How many thousands of lakhs of money can be saved through it? Without adequate medical knowledge, millions are unnecessary expenses. How many times have you spent thousands of lakhs for medical treatment and surgery for yourself, your mother, father, brother, friends, relatives, and for the sole reason of emergency? You will have wasted money, so you should know and understand many things more carefully in this matter. You will have passed through this bitter matter. If we know all these things in advance, we can get away from a sudden problem at a low cost in a time of danger. It's not uncommon for everyone, old and young, to avoid sudden medical expenses. This medicine, the more you know about your doctors, prescription, the more money you can save on this waste. You should be aware of this matter. You should be fully aware of what kind of medicine homeo, acupuncture, allopathy, siddha, ayurvedic, etc. need. If we use it properly and honestly, we can save a lot of our labor savings that we would otherwise loss of our life. Foreign travel, foreign life, foreign opportunity. We lost more than we gain in this. So we should take the good things that we get through this sign to avoid disappointment about this foreign job. Medical expenses will come through mother-in-law. Opportunities to go abroad will come through mother-in-law relations, related informations, storehouse, treasure, foreign job information, all these will be available through mother-in-law relation. The 10th sign is the father's family, where we get this help through the paternal great uncle who does the same sign that harms them through the medical matter in and in-law relationship. Aries house is the 11th sign. Friends never make any profit. If you rely on friends for joint ventures and financial help, they will not get it back. They should not trust or expect friends who will be embarrassed and humiliated if they make a promise by trusting their friends. There is no benefit from friendly circles. The 11th malefic element is not benefit. Elder brother, father's brother will have no advantage and gain through this relative. To enjoy the 11th, penance cannot. Second marriage is not only the 11th sign but also the 9th sign. Those who marry her second time should not expect much from her. If you stop with them in moderation, the relationship will be stable. Taurus house is the 12th sign. Ayana sign bhogam, foreign job, opportunity, living abroad, living in a foreign country, living apart from family and living alone, living abroad across seas, looking for work, business, overseas, migration, legal advice, assistance, passport, visa assistance for them, assistance to agencies related to this, assistance to consultancy that provides employment abroad, doing this as a business of part time. If you do business or help related to this, you will be blessed with strength and personal development occur. Helping those admitted to the hospital is better than helping those in the emergency department. It is better to consult with the hospital about credit, explaining the advantage of any hospital and what kind of medicine is available, helping others by knowing what quality is in which hospital, gathering a lot of related information and making others aware of it. The more supportive or helpful you are, the more blessed you will be. Ambulance assistance, information and assistance to accident victims is also meritorious. It is a blessing to work and help those who are in the hospital. Foreign money transfer agency is blessed. That is Gemini Lagna Bhava benefits. Thank you very much. Thank you.